Good morning, neighbors. Well, somebody asked me to film more of the sheep. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. There's one of the dogs. I heard him coming for a while. And they come one way in the morning and the other way in the afternoon. It's a pretty good sized flock. It's supposed to be storming this afternoon. At least that's what the weather reports are showing. He's munching something. Or she. Yeah, it's a she. Oh. There's a shepherd that walks along with a backpack, and he's got a border collie. There's quite a few of them. Good morning. How you doing, little one? Quite a few black ones in there. Yep, they're definitely helping keep the weeds down, because every time they go by, we notice there's less and less the tall grasses. Oh, there's some of them over here on the other side of the Lori and Mike's rigs. Cleaning up around my dolly. Another rig headed back out from the campground. One thing that's nice is that the dust is way down since we've been getting all this rain. Yeah, this is at least a twice daily occurrence. And you can see them way out in the distance over there. Stragglers keeping up. Hurry up. The stragglers go running after him. Wait for me. Well, looking back over here, I don't see any more. Doesn't take them long to move on through. Headed down the road there. That was the traffic for the morning. And it's a beautiful, quiet morning. Once they get out of range, they're bleeding, it quiets right down. Oh, company at the feeder. There's 5 or 6 that come by regularly. Filling up my little green bottles. I've been doing that. I've just been using the Mr. Buddy tea. It's 52 degrees right now, and I use the Mr. Buddy heater in the front of the bus, and I just leave it on low all night. It keeps the chill out of the bus. Then when I get up in the morning, I crank it up on high, and it makes it warm enough until the sun comes up and starts heating the bus up, and then I can shut it off. I go through about 2 tanks a night, just keeping it on low. Works really good. Solar's been working excellent. I've just been leaving this set of panels up all night. The ones on the other side over here, I keep them down because of all the traffic over here. Oh, I hear Hummers complaining. There's another guy. Yeah, I keep the other panels over here. They're my curtains because I don't have any real curtains right now. Otherwise, I'd just leave them up. But once the sun gets over on this side, they crank up the air. They do just fine. Since I'm not running the air conditioning, I don't have to have high power. Oh, it smells so clean and fresh. But everything's damp and cold. We were laughing yesterday about how Down in Kingman, we were whining about how it's so dry and dusty and gray and hot. And we get up here, and it's green and fresh and full of trees and cold and damp. Life in the fast lane. All right, I guess that's enough for now. Later.